Hello and welcome everyone. Everyone here today and everyone listening to this recording across time and space. We gathered today to build up the highest timelines and the golden grid for the bird kingdom. And I feel like I say that each time we are doing our sessions, but I just felt so connected with the beautiful birds throughout these months. And I'm so excited to co-create with them and with their angels. So today we are going to build the highest timelines of the bird kingdom. We are going to ground these timelines wherever we are living, and we are going to anchor it inside the beautiful grid of Lemuria to be strongly grounded into our reality. And before we start, I was guided to share a message with all of you listening to this, and this is a recording and being here today. As light workers, grid workers, light keepers, as nature empaths, we understand the power and the value of vibration. We understand that when we are aligned with who we are, with our true soul's love and light, we have so much power. We are connected with Source, we are connected with our angels. And because we are keepers and workers of the light, we build that into our reality and we spread it over the whole earth. And we also are aware and understand that when we give attention to density, because it triggers us, because it makes us sad, because it makes us angry. The world is changing and so much is happening at the moment. But we understand that when we give attention to that part, we empower it. And once more, as grid workers, light keepers, nature empaths, we are choosing to connect and empower the light. We are weavers of the light. We take light and weave it into our reality, and we choose to connect with that and empower that. And of course, the bird kingdom, it's a kingdom which brings the messages of the angelic beings, the angels, and spread it in our reality. The migrative birds, when I connect with them, many of you here are part of the Lemurian healing group we are doing. When we connect to the migrative birds, I'm sure you also experience that. You feel their light. You feel they bring this light to the land they are flying over, and to all the parts of the globe they are, of course, landing and traveling through. The magic and beauty and power of the bird kingdom is immense. So let's just connect with them, empower them, and rebuild bridges of light between them and human light workers. And as always, beautiful soul, we ground, we center, we connect with our golden grid. So let's start. Close your eyes if you wish so. Feel your feet on the ground and connect with your beautiful heart chakra. Just to make sure you see, just connect beautifully with your heart consciousness, the love and light and beauty of your heart. Breathe deeply in and out. And as you breathe out, feel as beautiful golden threads of light are going from your heart downwards through your feet, down into Mother Earth. And through this beautiful golden thread, connect with the realms of Mother Earth. Let's connect with the fairy realm, with the elven folk and the tree kingdom, Let's connect with the other beautiful nature spirits. Through this golden thread, let's connect with the golden ages of Mother Earth, with Lemuria, with Shambhala, with Mu, with Avalon. And you can also, beautiful soul, connect with the golden ages. Your soul is very deeply connecting and co-creating with. And we send this light deeper down into Mother Earth, connecting with the crystalline grids, with the ley lines, with the beautiful Lemurian crystals. We send this light even deeper, connecting with the heart of Gaia, with a beautiful, magnificent angel in charge of our beloved planet. Feel this connection, the joy, the love, the wisdom of Gaia. And then, with intention, bring this sacred connection, this wave of energy and light upwards through your, again, once more, through this golden route, but now traveling upwards through the lower chakras, up, 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 until it reaches your heart. Now through your heart, connect with all realms of Mother Earth, with the trees, the animals, the insects, the waters, the land, and of course with the bird kingdom. And now I ask you, beautiful soul, to send a ray of light upwards through your upper chakras, up, 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 through your beautiful opened crown chakra, through your soul star portal. And here in the soul star portal, connect with your guides and angels, with your light team. The unicorns, the dragons, the angels, archangels, the beautiful galactic beings your soul is co-creating with. Connect with your soul and your soul light. Feel and sense these sacred links. And feel how your soul is showering you in beautiful soul frequency. Pure, high dimensional. And then send this light even further up, connecting with Source. Feel and sense the song of the seraphim around Source. I'm sure some of you can sense it just as I do. And now bring that sacred light down through your higher chakras, down, down, down into your heart. And feel your connection with Source, with angels, archangels, unicorns, and dragons in your heart. Now I ask you, beautiful soul, to breathe in and breathe out, sending this sacred light of Source and of Gaia through your whole body and through your whole energetic fields. Feel your physical body bathed in that light. Feel your mental body, all your thoughts becoming high frequency, high dimensional. bath your emotional body in this beautiful golden light. And now send this light into your spiritual body. And here I ask that every participant's chakras to be perfectly aligned and in harmony, so we can all connect clearly to our guides and angels and to our soul. And now I ask you, beautiful soul, to send this pure, beautiful light even further out into your quantum field, which is an energetic field of everything connected to you as a person and a soul. Feel your quantum field bathed in light. Connect with your soul mission grid. See it activated. Connect with your all grids you would like to connect with your abundance grid, with your friendship grid, with your family grid. Beautiful. I just tune into. And now come back slowly to your heart consciousness and to yourself. Beautiful. And now let's connect with the golden grid of the Planetary Gridwork Collective. Let's connect to the beautiful angels of guides who've been with us through now almost 3 years. Let's connect with the beautiful angelic beings. So I call in Seraphim Seraphina. I call in Archangel Metatron. I call in the Lemurian Council, and just feel and sense these powerful sacred energies forming like a beautiful circle of light around us. I call in the Andromedan Council. I call in the guides of the planet of trees. I call in the angels of nature, Archangel Perlimiak, Ariel, Felier, Preliminiac, and of course the beautiful shimmering Archangel Bhokpi, the archangel in charge of the bird kingdom. I call in Archangel Michael and Faith, Gabriel and Hope, Raphael and Mary, Uriel and Aurora. And just let's tune in to the grid once more. Feel the energy. Feel the light and the love of this grid. I call in Archangel Rockwell, Archangel Sandalphon, and Archangel Jules. I call in Archangel Gersisha and Archangel Butialin. I call in the sacred coders and decoders. I call in the beautiful shimmering timekeepers. I call in the dragon kingdom, the unicorn kingdom. I call in the fairy realm and the elven realm and all nature spirits who would like to join us. I call in the spirits of the land and the beautiful crystal beings who would like to join us. I call in the light workers and the light keepers from all realms of nature. Many of us here have our beautiful animal guides with us, yet many trees and crystals are also co-created with us, and light workers from all realms. And I call in my beautiful sacred light team to please be with us today and assist me in this sacred work. And you, beautiful soul, here today, present here today, you also please connect with your light team. Call in the angels and guides you are co-creating with. And I can feel Archangel Samuel is here. Welcome. I feel Kuan Yin is here. Welcome. Isis and Bastet is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And now I tune into the grid and I feel the energy of the grid. I see us, all of us, beautiful light workers, grid workers, light keepers, nature empaths, standing around this golden grid, surrounded by these powerful beings of light. We connect, we attune our energetic fields, and we receive. There is so much light, so many blessings to receive. Beautiful. And now, inside this golden grid, I call in the grid of the bird kingdom as it is now, as it is today, in our reality, in our consciousness. And you can see the grid of the bird kingdom now in the middle of our golden circle. And I have some plants here next to me. And I just need to be aware that I'm not with my movements. um, Throwing them to the ground. Beautiful. So we are connected now to the beautiful grid of the bird kingdom. Tune into it, connect with it, sense it, feel it. And now I call in the beautiful galactic dragons, Vishwa and your team and Vishwa's team of galactic dragons and beautiful shimmering white dragons of Archangel Gabriel. And you can see and sense them arriving. And what they are doing, they land and start cleansing and purifying the grid, removing densities, removing cords, removing realities which are not aligned with the highest timeline of the bird kingdom. You can feel and sense unicorns and angels coming in and landing in the grid as the dragons are making the grid bigger and bigger. And as me moving my beautiful plant, so done. Feel and sense the grid now. And what I can see now, many birds arrive. They are white birds, huge white birds, swans and pelicans and many other storks. They are landing in the grid and they start cleaning the grid. And my beautiful quantum guide, Amaraya, is telling me to share with you how they are cleaning the grid. They are cleaning the grid by landing and opening up with intention. And it looks like their energy field contains so many codes of light that where they land, the grid is cleansed and purified. Let's just tune for a moment into this. I can see a lot of dragons working in the grid, and I can see a lot of white angels, unicorns, and a lot of white birds. And now a beautiful shimmering being of light who is a timekeeper. It steps in the middle of the grid and tells us, human light workers and light keepers, human grid workers, to start sending our love and light and our gratitude towards all birds. And this being of light is telling us that as we start doing that, we are rebuilding, we will see building bridges of light between us, humans, and the bird kingdom. I saw this bridge starting to build and it was like golden, and now it changes into a rainbow bridge and a silver bridge and a light bridge. It's like colors changing. Send your beautiful love and light over the grid. Some beautiful white birds started to connect with some of you. And I can see like light woven, built between humans and specific birds. Messages received from the birds. Some of you here are true keepers of the light of the bird kingdom through lifetimes. Send your love and light and gratitude as the beautiful grid is built, built, built. Now I can see the side of the grid is the right side. It's huge. I just check the galactic dragons if they removed every negativity and density and cords. It's a beautiful angel of the bird kingdom connected with Archangel Bhokpi standing in the middle of the grid now. And the message of the angel is humanity since the beginning of times connected and loved the birds. You all admire them from their flight, for their beauty, for their songs. And of course, as the energy of the earth changed, this connection changed also. Yet there have always been beautiful human souls who kept the light for the bird kingdom. And we are so grateful and thankful for that. And now the dawn of times are coming where this connection becomes so beautiful and pure, where birds truly step into their power and humanity sees them as they truly are. Powerful bringers of light. We are thanking you all for this sacred, joyful co-creation. And the angel continues. Another energetic vibration the bird kingdom always assisted planet Earth with was the energy of joy. The joy of living, the magic of this reality, the beauty of Mother Earth. And when you connect, totally aligned with who you are, with the bird kingdom, you receive this joy, you receive this empowerment. You receive this feeling of lifting your wings and flying, totally aligned with who you are, as a powerful, beautiful being of light. Thank you for the message. I'm asked again to please remind you to send love, light, and gratitude and connect through your heart to the bird kingdom. Open your heart and feel your love and light pouring over. And your love and light pours over as golden coats and beautiful energy. And I also see threads of light woven between us humans and the bird kingdom. And while we do that, you can see and sense that all beings of light around us are empowering the bird kingdom. You can see and sense the seraphim singing their beautiful song as a magnificent Archangel Bhokpi or seraphim Bhokpi, he is a seraphim itself, stands in the middle of the grid. And now you can see him surrounded by so many birds, white birds, but also colored birds. So many shapes and forms and sizes and colors. And now what you can feel and sense, beautiful soul, is the different realms the birds are co-creating and living in. You can see birds living on water and co-creating with the water element and the water beings and the nature spirits connected with the water. Can you feel the energy of the oceans and seas and rivers and lakes? Many of you connect with storks here, and others connect with all different birds of the sea and ocean. And now we are shown the beautiful birds who are living on the land, terrestrial birds, to see and sense how varied, how beautiful they are. How they are connected with the plant kingdom, how they are connected with the land, the earth, the spirits of the land. Feel and sense and send your love and light and gratitude. Seyawe tai 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 serawe tai 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 yawe ya. And now we are looking at the beautiful birds who are co-creating with the tree kingdom. See the birds in trees, singing from trees. I can see so many pictures that's now when I'm quiet, it's because it's so much happening. Just connect with these beautiful birds, small and big. And feel the co-creation between them and the tree kingdom, the elven folk. And now feel the co-creation between all birds and all nature spirits. Beautiful. Now I call in my beautiful guide Amaraya to assist me here. It's so much happening inside the grid. As the timekeepers are activating the highest timelines, and the coders and decoders are bringing in the codes of light for these new timelines. You can now see beautiful angels of light coming with codes and templates and placing them in the grid. And as the highest timeline grid of the bird kingdom is taking more and more shape, you can connect with the energy of it. I can see many rivers in the grid. The energy of water, the energy of land, the energy of the trees. And what is happening now, beautiful soul? Many migrative tribes of the bird kingdom, you can feel and sense them. They are landing in the grid, empowering the grid with the energy of Lemuria. And by saying that, I can see the Lemurian council around the grid. It formed like a beautiful silver light. And of course, many of us here today are connected deeply with Lemuria, and you receive a lot of codes and activations. Archangel Bhokpi has a message for every one of us here today. These are times of ease and grace, he says. Connect with the energy and with the sacred code of ease and grace. Open your wings and fly. And this was a message for, specific message for some of you here today. Beautiful. I can see how golden light is pouring over the grid. The love and light, the love and gratitude of humanity is activated in the grid, and it feels like a beautiful golden, almost like a layer of light over the grid. Freedom, freedom for all birds, understanding, respect for their nature habitat, respect for the bird kingdom. And we are also told by Archangel Bhokpi that birds are very much protected by the angelic realm. Beautiful. I just tune in the grid now. I just check the energy of giving and the energy of receiving. And I check the grid, a lot of beautiful nature, high grass and trees and water and hills and mountains. And now we are invited, beautiful soul, to connect with this beautiful energy of the grid. Just tune into it. The energy of the highest timeline of the bird kingdom. Can you feel it? Can you feel it in your heart and in your whole body? The beauty, the joy, the excitement, the peace, the serenity. And now I can see like murmurations of birds, many of them in the air, dancing, flying around, and then landing. I'm very connected with the stork species, and I feel that many of you here, I think, let me just tune in. Every one of you here today is connected with a specific bird kingdom. Some of you with all of them. And you feel this connection and this joy, don't you? Beautiful. Coming back to the grid, connecting with the grid, looking at the codes. Still codes of light are being placed into the grid. Still, and angels, unicorns are doing their beautiful work at pouring light over the grid. We are still requested to send our loving light. I thank to the beautiful galactic dragons and the beautiful dragons of Archangel Gabriel for their work. Their work is finished. Thank you so much. And I check the grid now. It's shimmering, beautiful. And it has all colors. It feels to me like a diamond shimmering in the sunshine, all the colors of the rainbow. The bird kingdom takes a big role in the grounding of the new golden age. They connect so purely with the angelic realm, and they ground the energetic vibration of the angels to where they travel. And therefore they have a big role to play in these times. And co-creating with them, co-creating with their angels and guides are empowering our journeys, our co-creation, our soul mission. Connect and call me anytime you are required assistance. Archangel Bhokpi says. I am with you. I bless you. I empower you. I assist you on your journey with ease and grace. And connect with this beautiful, magnificent Archangel, as I said before, who is a seraphim. Connect with the wisdom and incredible love we are bathed in just now. And it is done. The grid of the highest timeline of the bird kingdom is built, is ready. His magnificence is so difficult to put in words. Connect to it. And we build beautiful sacred bridges of light between human light workers, light keepers, grid workers, and nature empaths with the bird kingdom. Bridges which will continue to be built and become stronger and stronger, of co-creation, communication. And we are asked to ground this grid in the beautiful highest timeline of Lemuria. So you can feel how the grid is grounded in the golden age of Lemuria. And the beautiful energy of Lemuria is connected so purely and beautifully with the grid. Just connect with the Council of Light of Lemuria. And now it's a wave of blessing which comes towards us. Can you feel it? Take a deep breath and just allow to connect with this beautiful energy of gratitude coming towards us, bathing us in this beautiful light. You can see now Archangel Bhokpi with many beautiful angels co-creating with the birds, protecting, assisting, guiding the birds. You can see the birds inside the grid. You can see nature, beautiful nature. Feel and sense the vibration of the grid. I'm asked that we are infusing our energetic field with the energy of this great, beautiful soul. That's why I'm describing it. Connect, 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 receive. If you receive message, write it down straight away. From now on, beautiful soul, each time you see a bird, you hear a bird, you connect in any ways with the bird kingdom. Give and receive. Send your love and gratitude and open your heart to receive some messages. This connection is made and is so strong. Beautiful. I just check the grid, everything is in place. You can feel Seraphim Seraphina and also Seraphim Bhokpi, and there are other seraphims pouring their beautiful love and light and song over the grid. And you can feel that so strongly. I'm sure you can, just as I do. Esayao eta eta eta, eserao eta eta. And it is done. It is done. I thank for the beautiful beings of light who assisted us today. To all of them. And I thank you, beautiful soul. You here today who weaved your energy, your love and light into the grid. And you who joined us later, listening to the recording and understanding that in quantum there is not space and time. We can all add our energetic vibration to this grid. Thank you so much. I thank the beautiful golden grid of our Planetary Gridwork collective. And I remind you, beautiful soul, to please, after the session, go out in nature and ground the energy. Ground these timelines into your land, into your reality. And connect with this grid again and again. Please share, like, and comment on the link so it goes into the world and we make it stronger. And we land with ground this golden grid. Thank you so much for your love and light. And I trust you received so much, so many blessings. Thank you.